This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week, Bitcoin reaches 50K. MicroStrategy aims to buy $600 million more in Bitcoin. A survey finds 5% of CFOs plan to buy Bitcoin. 2 Bitcoin ETFs in 1 week are approved in Canada. And finally, Deutsche Bank plans for a digital asset custody platform. Bitcoin has surged, finally breaking 50K, reaching 52K earlier this week, following Tesla's dive into cryptocurrency for $1.5 billion. This also followed MicroStrategy's announcement that it plans to raise an additional $600 million from convertible senior notes to buy more Bitcoin. Later, they would change that to $900 million. Since the company's first purchase of Bitcoin in August, MicroStrategy now owns 71,000 Bitcoin, worth more than $3.5 billion. MicroStrategy has paid an average of $16,109 per Bitcoin, and the move has paid off big. Shares of MicroStrategy have soared 736% since their stock became a de facto Bitcoin ETF with its first purchase in August of last year. The company's market valuation has exploded from less than $2 billion in August to more than $10 billion now. Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, recently hosted a Bitcoin conference, which Saylor said was attended by thousands of executives, officers, and directors and advisors of corporations. As a side note, prior to the historic conference, MicroStrategy announced another purchase of Bitcoin. Around that time, the firm bought an additional $10 million worth of the number one cryptocurrency. The company is now seeking to purchase an additional $900 million in BTC, solidifying itself as one of the largest holders of Bitcoin next to Grayscale, which holds a massive 649,000 BTC, worth $31 billion today. A survey has found that 5% of CFOs plan to buy Bitcoin, according to Cointelegraph. The study of financial executives found that 5% of companies intend to invest in Bitcoin as a corporate asset in 2021, with a further 11% stating they could take the crypto plunge by 2024. Survey, which was conducted by Gartner, polled a total of 77 participants, including 50 CFOs, among other executives. More than 70% stated that they want to know what other companies are doing with Bitcoin. The bullish news doesn't stop there, though. This week, 2 Bitcoin ETFs were approved in Canada as well. The Ontario Securities Commission approved both the Evolve and Purpose Investments Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. What sets the Purpose and Evolve ETFs apart from other trade funds is that they directly hold Bitcoin. Every dollar coming into the funds means they will have to purchase a dollar worth of Bitcoin. Another difference is that in an ETF, shares are issued continuously, while a closed-ended fund issues shares only during the initial public offering. These Bitcoin ETFs will help shape the future of Bitcoin and may spur the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to approve ETF applications that have long been denied. In our final story for the day, the 21st largest bank in the world, as well as the 6th largest bank in Europe, Deutsche Bank, which has previously criticized cryptocurrency, is now planning to create a digital asset custody platform. In a December report by the World Economic Forum entitled Crypto, What is it good for? An overview of cryptocurrency use cases. WEF presents details from Deutsche Bank about a proof of concept for cryptocurrency custody. The report expresses Deutsche Bank's eagerness to expand its product offerings into cryptocurrency. The planned digital asset custody platform is split into 4 phases, with the first providing custody to institutional investors such as asset managers, wealth managers, family offices, corporations, and digital funds. The second phase will be to allow buying and selling via brokers and exchanges. The third phase will be to provide value-added services such as taxation, valuation services, and fund administration, lending, staking, and voting, and provide an open banking platform to allow onboarding of third-party providers. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto, signing off. See you next week.